Hi everyone, Caleb with Parkit360. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of one of our Scout 3K manual dollies. To unbox your Scout dolly, place it either on the floor or a table with the stickers on the upper side of the end of the box. Inside your Scout box, you should find your T-bar handle, your kit bag with manual and additional hardware, a large interior box holding your wheel, a long box holding your tightening bar, and one more box holding your ball mount. In your Scout box, you should have received a T-bar handle with 2 grips, your wheel hub and mounted wheel, tightening bar, kit bag with manual and additional parts, and a ball mount kit with a 2-inch ball, 2 5/16, ball mount and thrust washer. In your kit bag, you will find a manual and additional mounting parts. To assemble your dolly, start by taking your T-bar handle and sliding it into the handle receiver on the base of the unit. Make sure to rotate your handle so that the T-bar is in good operating position for the user. Take your set screws with your Allen key and tighten on the handle to the unit. Tighten on until snug. Your ball mount will slide easily into your ball mount receiver tube. Make sure to select the correct ball size for your trailer's coupler. If you experience any issues with your dolly, if anything's missing or anything appears to be damaged, please feel free to reach out to us directly. Thanks very much for watching the video today, and happy parking.